Hello everyone, this is Nicholas with Homes of Fredonia, and today we are in Irving, New York, and we're going to be showing you this entire home. This is an over 1,800 square foot, 4-bedroom, 2 full bathroom home, and it is a nice winter day. The sun is shining. And let's get you inside. And here we are. This is a Pinecrest model home, and we have the entryway here. And of course, we have the guest closet, and you don't see this in every floor plan, so it's definitely a great option to have. And I'm gonna have to figure out a way to link you to the floor plan of this home in the description, because I wasn't able to get the floor plan in the beginning of this video, but this home is over 1,800 square feet. Like I said, it has 4 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms in this home, and the video just does not do size justice. This is a really big living room in here, and there are multiple versions of this home that come in different sizes. There's 3-bedroom options, and this is the, like I said, 4-bedroom option. So it makes everything bigger when you step up to this size. And you're gonna get to see a lot of stuff in here. There's not many options missing in this home. I'm gonna be saving the primary suite for last, because the bathroom inside there is just incredible, and it has a huge walk-in closet. So we're gonna save that for last. And this home sits on a full 8-foot basement. So that, can be finished at some point, adding an additional 1,800 square feet to this home. So nice big open floor plan here, and really big island. Some really nice appliance options. And of course, the walk-in pantry in the corner here tucked away. And you have these really deep floor-to-ceiling cabinets as well. So let's show you this. This is awesome. Cannot beat the walk-in pantry options. And so full Whirlpool appliance package comes in this home, and they upgraded the faucet and sink setup as well in this home. And so this stuff comes all done inside your home when you build one of these with Homes of Fredonia. So really big nook area here as well. A lot of homes you'll see, there just isn't a ton of space for a table and to fit the family. This home is definitely built to fit the whole family over on the holidays and all that. So as big of a table as you can possibly find will fit in this area. So first I'm going to show you the secondary bedrooms, and then we're going to come back over this way, and down that door right there is the basement. So let's show you the secondary side of the home first. And really nice second bathroom in this house too. Excited to get you in there. And the lighting, just adjusting as we go. So this is going to be the smallest of the bedrooms here. And definitely, can even be used as an office or something like that, but definitely works as a bedroom, of course. But I know a lot of people work from home today, and that would be really handy office space for them. So we don't have the light bulbs in here yet, so I'll turn up the brightness as much as I can, but really nice secondary bathroom. Really spacious in here. And super cool how a separate doorway goes back to the tub, shower combo, and toilet area. And notice here, being such a large floor plan, it had room for the upgraded garden tub shower combo. So this is really big compared to the normal tub shower combo that you get. I would always recommend, if you are building a home, always ask if there is room for the upgraded garden tub shower combo in your secondary bathroom or wherever you want it, because I'll just say this is large enough to fit a normal sized human being in it. So that's nice. So heading back out, get you into the other two bedrooms. Now these bedrooms are much larger. These are big bedrooms, and they both have walk-in closets. So really, really nice to have walk-in closets in 3 out of the 4 bedrooms. So there we are, and we're going to be going on in the basement, but here's a little sneak peek. There is the Bilco door option. So that's really nice if you are looking to finish the basement later on. Having, the basements nowadays, they have to have an escape. So the most minimal escape that you can have is going to be called an egress window. And that's a large size window with kind of a ladder coming up out of it. Not really adequate for bringing things in and out of the house. So, it is wise to do a little upgrade, and the cost difference isn't that much to just go up to that Bilco entryway, where you can absolutely haul things in and out of your basement much more easily if you are ever looking to finish the basement. And here we are at the end of the home, and another walk-in closet here. This is a big one. So there we have it. We have this end of the home with 3 bedrooms and a beautiful bathroom. And getting back out into the main living area here, we'll give another view of this coming out of this hallway. It is just extremely spacious in here. And I forgot to mention in the beginning of the video, this is being a Pinecrest model. These models all come standard with 9-foot ceilings, and these are true 9-foot ceilings. They're not 8.5 feet. They are true 9-foot ceilings. And I'm going to show you this entryway again here, because I didn't get a really good angle on it in the beginning of the video. But really nice to have that entryway, the foyer, separated from the rest of the home there. You'll see on a lot of the floor plans, we just have kind of the doorway just coming into the living area. So really nice to have that separated. And just check this out, when you're designing these homes, I've had people opt to leave the island plain and swap the faucet and sink over to the sidewall of the home here into this area. And you can, sort of design these cabinets how you want. They chose an all drawer wall here, which is really cool looking. And you can just see the immense amount of storage in this home. Look at all of this cabinetry inside this house. And then even in the front of this, we have a bunch more storage. So definitely no lack of cabinetry and storage inside this home, especially considering it's got a huge 8-foot basement under it. And I'm really excited to get you down into there to show you how huge that is. You can imagine an 1,800 square foot basement. So what we're going to do now, we'll go into the basement last, but get ready for this. This is going to be the best part of the video, in my opinion. So here we have the primary suite of the home. This is a huge bedroom, and never do these videos do size justice. So that's why I'm definitely gonna have to put a link in the description to this home so that it will bring you to the floor plan. Especially with the 9-foot ceilings in here, this room feels huge. And check out those sliding doors. Wait until you see what is behind these sliding doors. And what's extremely cool about these sliding doors is they are soft, open, and close. So I only have one hand here, so I'm going to have to do one side at a time, but I'm going to be able to just kind of let that go and it'll sink back into itself. And so will that. So it's going to go, and it is soft, open, and close. And check out this bathroom. When you have this size home, it's really hard to not get the 4x6 walk-in shower, tiled shower. And so beautiful bathroom, double lav sinks, just an awesome setup that the home buyers chose here in this house. And you just cannot go wrong with this Pinecrest series of homes. And, you know, really unbelievable what you can get into one of these homes for. You may be looking at this house like it is probably out of this world expensive or whatever you're thinking. I can assure you it's not as much as you're thinking it is. You know, if you have curiosity about these things, literally just call our office and tell them you just saw the Pinecrest home video, the one in Irving, and they will tell you exactly what this project costs. And I think you'll be pleasantly surprised to find out what you can get into one of these homes for. So, you know, the worst thing you can do if you're thinking about building a home is not call and get any information. So our Homes of Fredonia is really easy to call and get information. And check out, so it's kind of going to sink into itself there. And then we've got the soft close on the other side as well. So there's that. And last but not least, here in the primary suite, we have right around this corner, separated from the room, a huge walk-in closet. I know that I could certainly use one of these. So just a really cool setup here. It's like its whole own part of the home over here. So gotta walk through here. And then I'm sure you're wondering, what is this door? Well, that's why I haven't gone into the utility room yet, because this makes laundry for the primary suite super easy. Now this is awesome. And here you have your side door and a bunch more storage here. And of course can walk directly into your kitchen from here as well. So now we have the full washer dryer setup ready to go here. And like I said, bunch more cabinet, bunch more storage here. And nice to have a little bit of natural light in here with the window above the utility sink. And super handy to have that utility sink here. And of course you have your 200 amp electrical panel and your side door. And the home buyers, either the home buyers or our homes, have built the steps off the side already as well. Looks like they're just waiting on steps to the sliding glass doors on the nook, which I'll get you a better shot of when we walk out of here. And the last thing in here that I want to show you is this is what we call a self-contained home. So here in the utility room tucked away, we have the hot water tank and we have the furnace. Now, a lot of people, when they see this, they think, well, isn't that supposed to be in the basement? Well, that's totally your choice. An in-home package like this on the house can be a really big cost savings. So here's the sliders on the nook. And, you know, a lot of people opt to just leave that in there because, you know, the packages to put that stuff down in the basement really can get astronomical. And to just have it ordered from the factory this way, when it's just going to be tucked away anyway and nobody's going to pay any attention to it or see it, that can be a really wise option to save, I'm not kidding you, as much as 5 figures on the home. So really cool sliding door option on there as well. And so here we are back in the open living area. And last but not least, we've got to get you down to the basement, and I can't wait for you to check this out. This is just really cool. And, you know, this is a turnkey home. So this is what Al Homes does, turnkey jobs. And so I believe this is a poured basement on this home. So what you're seeing here when these homes come in, you know, when this home gets delivered, it's just a cavity here. So Owl Homes has to build everything. And so when you get a basement package price from Owl Homes, it's going to include everything. So we have to build this drywall down, of course, the steps, the handrails, the electrical, the lighting, everything is included in that basement package option. And so if you're trying to kind of piece together a foundation package yourself, you're going to run into having to deal with a lot of different people to get the whole job done. So it's really nice to just be able to have it all quoted to you and done by one person. And you may be thinking, well, it's probably a lot more expensive. It's not. Doing it all together, all in one, can offer a lot of cost savings. So this is really made as easy as possible if you are trying to build a home. So everything's done down here, all the plumbing, all the duct work. Every basement package from Our Homes includes a sump pump, so you don't have to worry about that. And I'm just in the small part of the basement right now. And here we go. Look at this long shot. So that is a lot of space right there. It's like a bowling alley almost. So let's take a walk over here. And, of course, the basement floor is included in the package. So obviously a huge basement floor, a lot of concrete going into this home down here. And of course, the insulated walls, the walls have to be insulated on state code construction like this today. And so just really, really cool. Electrical package, so you see the outlets around the walls. Lots of outlets throughout these entire homes nowadays. So let's see if I can get this open. This is that Bilco package. Yep, there we go. So this is also included when you go with the Bilco option. So we're going to build, of course, the poured foundation for it here. And sorry, the lighting's not the best, but that's, those are the Bilco doors. They're on hinges. They're going to open straight up to the left and right. And we build the steps down. So it makes it way easier to get stuff in and out down here rather than an egress window, like I mentioned earlier. So I'm going to leave that how it was. And so that's it. Like I said, if you are wondering about information on these homes, give Our Homes of Fredonia a call. The representatives at Our Homes make it extremely easy to get information. Call 716-673-1366. But I will say the best thing that you can do if you're interested is take a ride down to the campus in Fredonia, 3752 East Main Road in Fredonia, New York, and you're going to see over $2 million in new homes on display for you to walk through, bring the family, bring the friends, and get information. And you're not going to be hard sold a home the first day that you walk onto the campus. It's called the campus because it's an educational place. They're going to hook you up with all the tools, resources, and knowledge that you need to possibly build a home one day if you want to. And that's just how it works. The days of this pushy sell stuff, it's over. People aren't buying that kind of stuff. So that's not what Our Homes does. They make it just a really good, fun experience the first time that you go in. And it's kind of like a show. You go check it out and have a good time with it. So once again, that's 716-673-1366. Or go on down, 3752 East Main Road in Fredonia, New York. Our Homes builds in all of Buffalo, Western New York, as well as into Erie, PA, and all of Northwestern PA. So they're covering a huge zone nowadays. And thanks so much for watching the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. We have a ton of videos coming out. We just posted a home install. So this kind of home right here being craned onto its foundation, which is just crazy to see. And of course, home tours like this and a bunch of different stuff. So stay tuned, like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.